In this tutorial I will show you how to use cases in VB6. So uh, I will use a grade system here. The first text box is used to get grades of student, and second text box which display the grades. The first text box which is used for marks, and second text box is used to display their grades accordingly. So I will change the caption here and here too, and here enter your marks. I will just clear these text boxes and make a command button named calculate grade. Okay, now here I will declare a variable name a for storing the marks. Here I will use a condition for marks. If value of text box 1 dot text is less than 40, then we will display as a equal to grade 1 is for, rather after 1 we will use for grade C, and here else if value of text box 1 is greater than 40 and less than 60, then we will assign a equal to 2, which will be used for grade 2. Here I will set equal to 40 so that 40 should not be missed at the time of execution. Okay, then a equal to 2, and else if it is greater than 60 or equal to 60, then a equal to 3. And if here now we will use cases, so type here select case a is the variable name here, and case for case 1 text 2 should be equal to grade 2, grade B, grade C, okay, grade C. For case 2, text 2 dot text equal to grade B. Now for case 3, text 2 dot text is grade A. Now after this end select, and our code is completed now. So I will show you the application here, and I will put 20, it will be grade C, and I will put now change the value to 40, and the grade should be B, and 50 it should be B again, and 70 it should be grade A. Now it is a simple application and our program is running, so you get a basic idea about cases. Thank you.